Hello everyone, in this question this equation is given and we have to find the value of x. Okay, so to solve this we can write 256 as 16 to the power 2. So I will write here 256 as a 16 to the power 2 and to the power x, here also 16 to the power 2 and to the power x plus 16 to the power x equal to 1, and I will use one exponent rule, that is a to the power m to the power n. We can write this as a to the power n to the power n. We can exchange the power. So using this we can write here 16 to the power x to the power 2 plus 16 to the x to the power 2 plus 16 to the power x equal to 1, and I will consider let x equal 16 to the power x equal to y. So we can write here y square plus y square plus y equal to 1 we can write, and y square get 2y square plus y, and send this 1 to left side, then this will become minus 1 which is equal to 0, and we can write after that 2y square y can be written as plus 2y minus y and minus 1 equal to 0. Actually I am changing this y as a 2y minus y. Okay, after this we can write, if we take 2y common from this two term, that is y plus 1, and I will take common minus 1 from this two term, then we can write y plus 1 equal to 0. Now we can write this as 2y minus 1 and y plus 1 equal to 0. This means we can write 2y minus 1 equal to 0 and y plus 1 equal to 0. This means 2y equal to 1, so we will get y equal to 1 by 2, and here we get y equal to minus 1. As we have considered 16x to the power y, so in place of this, if we put y as a 16 to the power x equal to 1 by 2, and 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 to the power x, and 1 by 2 also written as 2 to the power minus 1, and this will become, here actually I am using this exponent rule, a to the power m to the power n, then we can also write this as a to the power mn. So using this we can write this 2 to the power 4x equal to 2 to the power minus 1, and also I will use one exponent rule, a to the power m equal to a to the power n, then m equal to n. So from here uh, we can write this 4x equal to minus 1, that is x equal to, we can write minus 1 over 4, and also here if we put y equal to 16 to the power x, for this value y minus 1, then this will not possible here. This value will be not possible because you can see 16 to the power, if minimum we can do as a 0, and 16 to the power 0 is equal to 1, but here is minus 1, so this cannot be possible. This is impossible, so the answer will be x equal to minus 1 over 4. So thanks for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe this channel also with bell notification.